guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup look, and I'm going to be using products that was sent to me by a makeup brand called Peace Beauty Cosmetics. I've worked with them in the past. I did their lipstick review of their lipstick. I'm going to link the video up here just in case you're interested. They have like very nice, creamy, beautiful matte lipsticks. So they sent me this parcel and I decided I was going to do my holiday 2020 makeup look using their products. So let me show you guys what they sent me here. Over here is their eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow palette. I like how compact it is. Easy to move with, I guess. I really love this. Oh, that just fell off. I really love the way this looks. Nice. So these are the colors that you guys can see. We have about 4 matte shades, which I think are very nice shades for transition and for contour, especially on dark skin. And then we have shimmer shades, and the shimmer shades are all neutrals, you know, bronze and gold and the rest of them. Over here I have the powder, Peace Beauty Compact Powder. Let me open it. This is the shade 07. Okay, this is 07. I think this is lighter than me, but I could use this as a highlight shade. Then this is also foundation, Peace Beauty Foundation, and this is the shade Ebony 8. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's glass. I'm always scared of this glass packaging for foundation, especially like if it drops from my hand, that's the end of my foundation. Oh my god. So this is Ebony. I'm going to see how this fits. You know, I just hope it's my shade. I don't want to test it out till it's time to put it on, okay? I'm going to be giving you guys a full-time review, first impressions and review of this product. So this is a lipstick. This lipstick looks quite different from the ones they sent me before. The one they sent me before was short. Like they had this cute little bottles. This one is longer. Let me see what it looks like. And this is the shade Dance With Me, number 4. Oh, okay, the packaging is definitely different. This is obviously like a dark plum shade, sort of. So I'm going to be using this product. This is actually what they sent me. So I'll use all of them. Then any of the products that I don't have, I'm going to use from other brands in creating this holiday makeup look. So without talking too much, let's just get right into it, guys.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing cries of angels, singing exaltation. Sing all that hear in him, God's holy word. Give to our Father glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Filled in flesh, the Godhead see, held the incarnate deity be faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing cries of angels, singing exaltation. Sing all that hear in him, God's holy word. Give to our Father glory in the highest. Oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him. Oh come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, the Godhead see, held the incarnate deity. Pleased as man with man to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. The heaven Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness. Light and life to all he brings, rising healing in his wings. Mount he lays his glory by, born that man no more may die.
So you guys, this is the finished look. I like this look, you know. I feel like it's very nighttime friendly, so this is perfect for those holiday outings, for those of you that are not just going to be stuck at home because of the restrictions, because of the pandemic. And if you have one outing or the other to go and it happens to be nighttime, you can totally rock this look, okay? If you want it to be more daytime friendly, you could just switch up the lipstick from this dark lippy to something brighter, maybe a nude or a pink or a red. Before I go further, you guys permit me, because this part of my setup is dark because my light went off and I've been trying to deal with it. I can't figure out what's going on. So before it gets too dark and I get tired, I just said let me just round up this video. So you guys, to give you guys a first impression and review, honest review of the Peace Beauty Cosmetics products, the brand that I tried out today. They sent me these 4 products, you guys: their eyeshadow, their lipstick, their powder, and their foundation. So let's begin with the eyeshadow. Now I really like this eyeshadow. It is super pigmented, and I like the color range. I like the matte shades that they have. I like the shimmer shades that they have. As a makeup artist, you can actually create several looks using this. And if you're someone who you're not a makeup artist, you just need like an eyeshadow in your personal makeup box, this would do, because especially if you're like of a richer skin tone like me, because the shades here are perfect for transition on darker, richer skin tones. Of course you can work on lighter skin tones. I'm just saying that because they are mostly darker shades, they will work very well on someone of my shade or even darker or close to my shade. Then the shimmers, oh my god, the shimmers are neutral, so they can work on anybody. Yeah, then the shimmers are super pigmented. Even the matte shades kind of reminds me of Juvia's Place. You guys, I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. The shimmers, when I swatched them, I was in awe. Look at my eyes. Kind of reminds me of like loose pigments, because loose pigments are usually even more pigmented than like the baked ones. So I'm super impressed by this. I like the color range. You guys are going to be seeing this a lot on the channel. Did I mention that I am so in love with this packaging? I love the color. I think the person that created this packaging obviously likes purple. There's a lot of purple in there. There's a lot of purple in there. I'll shades that are close to purple sort of. So yeah, we're kindred spirits. I'm a purple lover also. So now for the powder, yeah, the packaging is nothing out of the ordinary. And this is actually not my shade, so I use it as my highlight. That's what I'll be using it for whenever I use it. I like that I was able to apply it with a wet beauty blender, and I used it to set my highlighted areas. So this is actually one of those powders that, you know, they are fine, they are smooth, they glide on and apply smoothly on your face. And you guys, I think it's one of those powders that you can actually apply even without foundation, and it covers whatever, you know. If you don't really have a lot of dark spots and discoloration on your skin, you can even use this without a foundation. I do that a lot, so I already know powders that can do that for me when I see them. Then let's talk about the foundation. Now this foundation was actually not really my shade. It was slightly darker than me. But let's talk about like the composition of the foundation itself. Now, first of all, I talk the packaging. I'm not really a fan of glass packaging in foundations because I'm always scared that they're always going to fall and break. I've experienced that before, and it gave me PTSD, guys. So now another thing I observed about glass when a foundation comes in a glass bottle is that usually it looks lighter when it's in the bottle, because when you like pour some of the foundation out, you find that the foundation is actually darker than it looks in the bottle. So be careful of that when you're going to choose a foundation, you know, that has a glass bottle. Then the consistency is kind of like not too thick, so it's medium coverage, you know, it's buildable. It was easy to, you know, blend using my beauty blender. I liked that. And then one thing I actually did like about the foundation was the undertone. And most people, or most dark people, most African people of African heritage, dark skin people have warm undertone. I don't have a warm undertone. I have kind of like a neutral olive undertone, you know. So you guys, this foundation looks even a little bit too cool for me. Like I feel like it should have a little more red or orange in it if it's going to be suited on dark skinned Africans because of the shade. Okay, so I didn't really like it. It can tend to make someone look a little ashy, you know. So I think that's my observation. That's the only thing that I didn't like about it. So if the undertone can be warmed up a little bit, I think it will fit better for the people that it's being made for, which are dark skinned people. So now let's talk about this, you guys. I think this is like one of my favorites of the things that I was sent. The lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. I like the packaging, I like the shimmer, you know, it just makes you look like one bougie glitter queen, like you're in a disco dance hall or whatever. So you guys, the consistency, this thing glided. I don't know what's the English, what's the right for that what you guys know what I'm saying. Like it glided on so smoothly. It felt like I was applying lip balm on my lips. That is how this thing felt, you know. And it dried matte. My lips don't feel heavy, my lips are not cracking up. It's buildable, it's easily blendable. You guys, let's see if it transfers. I have a tissue here. Very little transfer, very minimal, like negligible transfer. So if you actually want to go for that party and you need a lipstick that will not stain the glass cup when you take a sip, this is probably what you need. So I really like this. My lips feel moisturized, they don't feel heavy, it's not cracking up, and that's very good because a lot of matte lipsticks tend to always leave that heavy, cracked up, strong look, you know. That's not very flattering. So this is everything that I was sent. I think my two favorites are the eyeshadow and then the lip stain, followed by the powder, and my least favorite is actually foundation. This is actually what I think they need to work on. But otherwise, you guys, I love everything that I was sent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think about this look? And if you like my backdrop and my background, by the way, I know it's new, I hope you guys like it. I have a video on how I decorated this lifestyle background, my new background that you guys are going to be seeing. You know, I decorated it with a Christmas theme sort of. Look at my name over there so that you guys know whose channel you're on. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, I'm going to link the video up I'm just going to link the video up for you guys to check it out. Please check it out. And I think, yeah, this is where I draw the curtains. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Drop me a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.